Hello students, today we are going to solve fourth problem of cement. Question is given as the amount of water used in performing setting time test of cement is, assuming P equals to standard consistency of cement. First option given is 0.60p, the next one is 0.65p, another one is 0.80p, and the last one is 0.85p. A neat cement paste is prepared by gauging cement with 0.85 times the water required to give a paste of standard consistency. So the correct option is 0.85p, that is option D. That is all about this problem. Thank you very much, students.